Hello, this is Dylan Simon with the Simon Anderson team in Seattle, and welcome to our February 2025 apartment market recap.
Hi, it's JD Fuller, and Dylan and I sell apartment buildings between 50 and 200 units in the Puget Sound.
2025 marks our 13th year of writing our apartment market research reports. Understanding the market has never been more crucial, and inside this report's 40 pages, you'll find a massive amount of insight on the Seattle, Bellevue, Puget Sound apartment market.
As Dylan mentioned, you're going to find a ton of research in there and a ton of insights. A few big takeaways right now are over the last year, rental rates have remained steady with only two markets seeing rental growth over 3%. And vacancy rates are still elevated. We mentioned this in our last video, but we're hovering around 7 to 9% as we continue to absorb the supply that came in from 2021 and 2023.
As far as transaction volume with sales is concerned, we finished 2024 with a touch under $4 billion in sales. Although that seems like a lot, that's 50% of the $8 billion we've had in peak years, but it's double that we had in 2023. So the investment market is slowly coming back to life. But an interesting insight in our report is average cap rates across the region remain around the 5% bracketed range, which is unsustainably close between core and non-core properties. This trend invariably stays this tight for this long. I really encourage you to download a copy of our report. Like I said, there's over 40 pages of market research and data in here. It's free and it's available in the link below. Our team also just got back from the NMHC conference in Las Vegas. JD, how was your NMHC?
Well, any Las Vegas trip is going to be a good time, but NMHC was particularly fun. It was great getting down there, seeing a bunch of familiar faces, and we had over 40 meetings with some of our favorite clients. I would say we had a ton of takeaways. Two of the biggest ones right now are the hardest part about getting a deal done is the cost of capital and being able to hit your investors' return expectations. However, people are very bullish on Seattle between the employment drivers such as Amazon requiring workers back to the office and with supply really starting to taper towards the end of the year. People see the rent growth on the horizon. They want to get deals done now.
NMHC is the largest apartment conference in the nation with thousands of people there. We had hundreds of conversations, and what we heard time and time again is apartment investors are optimistic, but they're also cautious. And I think there's too much caution in the market, and investors are going to miss one of the best buying opportunities in this market cycle with so much caution at a time when we're about to see really good expansive rent growth in the Puget Sound region. And I think investors are going to miss a ton of great opportunities this year.
Next month, we'll report on our 10 current listings. But until then, visit our team's website to see our current listings, download the market research report, and get in touch with Dylan and I. Thanks, everyone. Have a good week.
Take care, everybody.